Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. To change aspect ratio, let's focus on this button here. By tapping on this we can manage it. For now we are in 3:4 ratio. We can change this to 9:16. As you can see, this is how it looks like, so this is a little bit longer aspect ratio than 4:3. The next one here is 1:1, and this is how it looks like, the square one. And we can also pick the full one, so this is full aspect ratio of this camera. By tapping on this once again, we can of course easily go back to 3:4, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.